Hello third graders. Today we're going to do some observational drawing. That means we are going to look very carefully and very closely at our subject matter. Our subject matter is what we're drawing. Today our subject matter is going to be a harvest vegetable. We harvest most of our vegetables in the fall. So you'll need to think about what fruit or vegetable reminds you of fall. Maybe you have one in your home already, or maybe you don't and you want to go get one, or maybe you want to find one in a book, a magazine, or even on the internet. Any of those options are fine. To get started, you're going to need a piece of paper, a pencil and eraser, and a ruler, as well as your harvest fruit or vegetable. First, you're going to draw a 6-inch square on your paper. This ruler is exactly 6 inches, so I just need to draw it as long as each edge. Place your harvest vegetable or fruit in front of you at the most interesting angle. Make sure you look all around at it to make sure you get the part you really like the most. I chose an apple because it reminds me of going apple picking in the fall with my family. You're going to make your vegetable or fruit touch 3 sides of the square. So that means you're probably going to have to draw a lot bigger than you might think you'd have to. So 1 side, 2 side, and 3 side. So next we're going to think about using emphasis and texture. And so when I talk about emphasis in art, that means the part that you want to stand out the most. So you can make things stand out by adding outlines or adding more detail or making one part lighter if the background is dark or vice versa. There are lots of things you can do to emphasize your work. I'm going to add lots of detail to the stem and a shape around the inside of the apple to emphasize that part. And then you'll want to use lots of marks and lines or shading to describe what the surface of your harvest vegetable looks and feels like, and that's the texture. I know this project would be a lot easier if we were in class together, but just try and do your best and take your time.